Good morning, guys. So today you can see it's a busy Monday. We are just now eating lunch. Yes. Kids are eating spaghetti or warming up spaghetti. Yes. So I have a busy week, a busy day. Two things. We had a really relaxing weekend, so the house is kind of a mess. And we just have a lot to do that I'm behind on, a lot of normal stuff along with a lot of update house stuff. So got to go to Lowe's, got to go to a grocery store and get some meat, a local meat market. The kids, big chore day. I have them some list here. I don't normally do this, but I know we're going to have a busy day, so we need to get this stuff done regardless of anything else. So we got some school. Mason, my oldest, is going to do night school, and then Riley and Clayton are going to do their reading lesson and computer time for school today because Mama's going to be busy. I'm in zone 4 today. I'm going to clean up my bathroom cabinets, get all that done, ready to paint in there because that's where we are painting. Here's my list for Lowe's. I'm going to take you along with that. So I need to figure out dinner. Hadn't done that yet. I will try to figure that out when I go get that meat. There's my shopping list under there. Got some other things to call and do. I've actually done some of these already. What is you crying for?
She wants my spaghetti.
She probably wants some more. So just give her a little bit more. And put my little coffee reminder there because my coffee machine, I sold it because I'm getting a new one and it hadn't got here yet, but I bought some iced coffee, some really yummy iced coffee or cold brew, whatever. So I put it there to remind myself that I have that. So I haven't even had any this morning. So because I forgot, and here's my reminder. So yeah, this is our day. This is what we're going to be doing, and I'm just going to take you along with me. Okay, so here's just a little tip. This is my lunch. What I'm doing, one of these extreme wellness wraps. These are my favorite Trim Healthy Mama Franken food wraps, and they're really soft. So romaine, let's talk about romaine. This is the only romaine that I will buy now. I get it at Ingles, and I make a special trip just to get it and their chicken salad. But it's like their ads around the store are so cute about it's like lettuce remain calm. You don't have to worry about the romaine recall. So since the recall, this is the only romaine that I buy, and it's not more expensive than what I would normally buy at Aldi. Well, maybe it is because that's really cheap at Aldi, but it's totally worth it to me, and I don't even wash it. It says I don't have to wash it, and I trust them, and I'm not even going to wash it. I usually wash things even if they say don't wash them. So yeah, that is my little tidbit. I'm going to eat it with some whatever's left of my fruit here, berries and my sweet tea. And yeah, it's going to be a yummy lunch. Okay guys, so I'm outside of Lowe's. I'm going to go on in there. I got my list. Hopefully I can find everything pretty quick because I don't want to spend a lot of the day in here. And I know that it can get that way. So let's get started. Here's what I got so far. Got a pack of 6 of these. Got another hand roller. We've got some of this at home. Got these for our trim. I figured we'd be doing the same color, so many of them. Got this to try for the cabinet in my bathroom. This is my floor quote. I got this and this for my cabinets, along with this to paint my cabinets. Got a paintbrush, this little paint lid thing, lead test for our other house, and I've already got this high watt for our trim. I'm going to do our trim in that. They're doing my paint, so let's get my husband one of these scrape blades. Anyway, I've got to go back and check on my cabinets in the other house, and I think that's it. Pick up my paint here in a minute whenever they get it done. So I'm almost done. Here's one color, 2 gallons of it. This Oyster Bay I'm doing my bedroom in. This I think I had for the living room and the bedroom. Waiting on these. So I'm doing the boys' room, playroom, and then my cabinet in this. Look at all my paint. This is not even my cabinet paint for my kitchen. And we'll probably have to have another gallon of stuff for the trim. Okay, so I gotta get some more tape. Because we're out. Just want the cheap stuff. Just want the cheap stuff. Let's see here. I think this is it. I got one more roll. That lady was not there, or man, I don't know. So I'm going to have to come back. Of course, I'm going to get my mirror for my bathroom and the wood for it, and I'm getting out of here. My phone's gonna die, so I needed 11 feet to cover my mirror on my frame. So I got 2 of these 6-foot 1x4s, and I could have got a 12-foot board, but it was actually cheaper, and I just got exactly what I needed to do that, just a foot over. So I am all ready. I got everything. I can get out, load this in the car, get home, get supper started, get some chores going. Before I end this trip, do you ever put, like, you're gonna spend a bunch of money, so you put a price in your head, like well over what you think you'll spend? Well, I went way over that. So our lights came for the bathroom, and they did not come together, and we have to wire them so that we can plug them in, because our bathroom does not do this hard wiring stuff. At least it comes with instructions. But these were meant to, like, hang on the wall like this to look like wall mounted lights, but have this hanging down. We would never put this on the wall like this. This is awful. But we are going to mount this onto a piece of wood. And then we have a plug in our bathroom up above the sink. So we're going to make a wooden frame that will hide all the cords. So this will just be showing on the wood. So, and we'll have 2 of them. But at least there's instructions. And these were it was like $45 for the set on Amazon. Cheapest price I could find for this style, for what I needed, without, like, doing some crazy electrical changes to them. Okay, so right here my husband is taking some simple caulk, super cheap, super quick, filling in some cracks around our trim and our doorways in our living room. We're obviously going to be doing a lot of this everywhere. Okay, I'm trying to get back to where you can kind of see. Let me see if this helps. Okay, so here's our bathroom. This is the mirror that's coming down. Hi! So I've got to empty out all of this. All of this in here has got to be emptied, which needs to be gone through anyway, because I have, like, a homeopathic kit, lots of oils and stuff. We don't really have, like, a whole lot of, like, personal items in here. It's just more of our stuff like that. And then hi Nikki baby, I took my things off my wall. We've already taped, puttied, sanded. Over here, my husband, the people that were here before had actually painted this blue, like, had got blue on it, so my husband done done that, and he recaulked some in here. Still got some left to do, obviously, but so it's ready, starting to get ready to paint. So my goal is to clear this off and all of this stuff out. I'm going to make my dresser. So my dresser's a mess, but I'm going to make it my dresser, my like bathroom vanity for a day or two till we get that mirror up. Yes, I have sheets for curtains. I bought curtains. That clock is leaving, and we're going to paint in here probably next. So, but for now, this is going to be my bathroom vanity. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like. And I don't know if we're doing the floors in here. I have tried to clean these floors a couple different ways and done things to them, but never really put time into scrubbing them. You can see where the mat was. This was here before we moved here. It was like that. I have bleached them, but I've not really like scrubbed the entire area. I've done it over here, but I don't know. And yeah, so here is what we're doing. We're going to clean this out and just get busy with it. All of my oils, they were hanging on my wall in a thing, and then some of this was in a bin, but I just put all of this in this big old box, so hopefully I can still access it pretty easily with keeping them like together, because I'm going to empty everything else into a box while I go through it. But I still got lots of stuff. Here we have successfully removed the mirror. Obviously there is a large gap where the paint has been painted 2 different colors since it had been put up. So we're just kind of filling in that line there with some putty, and then just giving it a kind of a quick sanding down. And now here my husband is removing some caulk. He caulked all around the sink here, and then around the floor, and we're going to redo the shower as well when we get some tub and tile. But this is just drywall, easy stuff, just getting it ready to paint. So back to my planner. I'm just going to end it here. It is super late. We have been working and then just kind of relaxed and watched TV. So my husband had fire department meeting tonight, so he was gone. So that kind of put a notch in starting to paint, but we got a lot done in there, so it's completely ready to paint. So I was thinking, man, I haven't got anything done on my list, and I come in here to check it, and I pretty much got everything done. Obviously, I did not base my quilts. I was hoping to get that done, but I just ended up working while he was at the fire department. I usually take that time for myself, but I ended up actually frying about 30 pounds of ground beef, and I really didn't film that, but I did cook it. I come home from the store and cooked all that. They unloaded the stuff, and I cooked dinner, and my husband was gone, so I just ended up cooking that meat. So I got that done, and then after he got back from the fire department, I didn't even start on cleaning the bathroom cabinets till just before he got home. But I got it done, and I definitely need to get some organization going for that stuff. I didn't quite realize how much stuff we had, so I just kind of need to sort it, but I don't know what storage we're going to have at the new house and in the RV when we're living in it. So I have to figure that out, because I just put it in a box, and then all of our important stuff is on my dresser. They did school a little bit. Not exactly what I wanted, but they got something done. I did not pay our property taxes. I got to do that tomorrow. I was on the phone all day with asbestos quotes, and the flooring people, the Lowe's had really messed up. I didn't film this in there, but they was charging us for carpet stuff when we didn't have anything to do with carpet. We were just putting laminate down. So I told them that my husband was going to be putting it in, and she deducted all that, but it was still super high, so I'm not sure if we're going to put new floor down in the kitchen or just leave it. And then I don't know. I don't know where we're going to put flooring down. So, got all this done. Here is more of my mess. I didn't show this like super good earlier. There's my list I had to get, so you can kind of see it better. This is the color I got for the playroom and my boys' room. So that was that. And then this slate tile, it's like a navy bluish color, and I've got it for my cabinet in my bathroom. So and then we got some other colors. They didn't have the things because they were Sherwin-Williams online colors, but they could plug them in. They plugged them in for me. They were colors I wanted, but they didn't have like the little papers. So anyway, I didn't even drink any coffee today. So as late of a night as it is, I'm going to need it in the morning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to meal plan, do all this stuff tomorrow, make sure I get this house stuff done, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in for the next day, and that's just how I do it. I don't really, unless I know something's coming up on a day, I try to keep this pretty blank so that I can add. But man, I was really proud of myself for getting all this done today. My feet hurt. My feet have not hurt this bad in so long, so I'm ready for bed. So as soon as I get this done, I am going that way. Thanks, guys. I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more renovations and stuff, if you like this kind of thing, let me know in the comments. So I'll keep filming it. If not, there's no reason to. And I'll film other stuff. So, God bless, guys. Bye.